Yo. I don't know why y'all are thrashing these in the community, but there's no reason to. There's no reason to. These are nice. These are nice, for real. I don't know what's going on, but hey, if y'all don't want them, I'll definitely gladly take a second pair because these are absolutely fire. Seriously. The quality to the leather to the... We're gonna take a look at them right now. Let's get it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid. Ooh, that's right. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I really hope you're having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the video, the intro, shoot, as you can see, we matching today with the color theme of today's product. We're gonna bring you guys another sneaker review, and not only that, but I'm bringing you guys an early sneaker review at a pair of Jordans that when I first saw them, I was like, I'm not feeling these at all. But until I saw more official images and I actually saw them on feet, the needle started going towards, I want these. And today we are gonna be taking a look at the Air Jordan 3 in the Desert Elephant colorway. And the community, based off of you guys were kind of on the same page as like even me. You guys were like, oh no, these are not it at all, these are not it. But then you know how it is. You start seeing more official images and you're like, actually, I definitely think I might go ahead and actually pick them up. So I'm really excited because originally the release date was supposed to be July 1st. However, sometimes there does get pushbacks, and now the pushback date for this is now, or excuse me, the release date for this is now August 25th. So I was able to go ahead and get these early over on Go. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these right now. Let's take a look at these Dark Elephant 3s. Let's go. But first and foremost, before we even take a look at these Desert Elephant 3s, I gotta stop the video and let you guys know I am extremely appreciative of all the love and the support that you guys show me, you show the channel. It really allows me to keep going and persevering. You guys motivate me more than you understand. So I just really appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, thank you guys so much. I think we're about to hit, if I'm not mistaken, like 1900 subscriber. We're almost at that 2K mark. It's always like a different, every video I feel like it's just, we're hitting different milestones every time, and I'm just super thankful for you guys. Like seriously, I really am. So let's keep that momentum up. If this is your first time checking out any of my videos, check out the channel. Definitely go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe, because anytime I drop content for you guys, you can be the first to be alerted and notified to check out what I have in store for you guys. So without further ado, let's dive into these right now. Let's go. Also as well, hold on, so my bad. Also as well, I like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing. I always like to do it with matching headband. We're gonna go ahead and get our Jordan headband on since we are reviewing the Air Jordan 3 Desert Elephant. It is a Jordan, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this headband on, and we're gonna dive into these babies right now. Let's go. And boom, and bing, we got our headband on. No more talking, let's dive straight into them. I'm very excited for these. These are an Air Jordan 3, my favorite silhouette when it comes to Jordans of all time, seriously. So I am very excited for all the 3s that Jordan brand has to show us. So I did go ahead and pick these up over on Go, and let me tell y'all, right now, I don't know if it's just that these colorway is not doing it, or right now because of everything that's going on with inflation, I don't know if the price point is just not, it's not hitting right now, but hey, I appreciate that right now. These are literally sitting over on the secondary market for about retail. Literally, I think I got mine for $198 after everything was like $210 over on Go, and man, I was surprised for a pair of Air Jordan 3s too. I would never thought I saw the day. Oh my Lord, look at the presentation. Okay, let's go ahead and take these out of the box right here. I will leave a link in the description where you can go ahead and pick them up if you're interested in getting them early. But oh wow, look at them. Look at this. Look at this presentation for the Air Jordan 3. I honestly think when it comes to presentations for 3s and even 1s, I think there's like, as far as the box they give us, it's always, they always go out of the way. Jordan brand, keep going with it. Let me show you guys it right here. Let me go ahead and kind of read the size description, and then I kind of want to take a more look at this box though. This is cool. So the side description does read Air Jordan 3 Retro. We have black. Oh, we have Rush Orange Fossil Stone. I did go ahead and get a size 11 for this one. The SKU code does read, for those that do care, it is CT8532008. And as you can see right there, there also is a QR code right there if you're interested in that. But looking more at this box though, let me see if you guys can get a better perspective. So as you know, we always have the elephant, we always have the elephant print is what I'm trying to say for the box. I don't know if the camera can pick up that well, but you have an elephant times, and it has a Jumpman, and it equals, oh, is that Michael Jordan, I'm assuming? I hope y'all can see it. Check it out. Look at this box presentation. This box presentation is pretty cool though. There it goes right there for real. That's actually really cool. Let's go ahead and actually open these together. So 3, 2, 1, let's lift like that. You know, we always gotta smell our sneakers. That's just something, you know, sneakerheads just do. And as you can see, you do have your regular tissue paper. Actually, it's elephant print tissue paper, excuse me. And let's pull these back. 3, 2, and 1. Let's see how these are hitting. And okay, these are hitting. Okay, these are actually hitting. So this is the right here. Let me go ahead and get out the left. Hold on, wait a minute. Gotta make sure. Yeah, okay. There's the GOAT sticker right there, and there also is the verification right there. Let's go ahead and take the other one out as well. These are nice, dude. Different. Look at the tongue. Look at the sock liner. Okay, hold on. Let's put everything back because we need to go ahead and talk about this together. And let's go ahead and dive into them right now. And boom, here we go right here. This is the Air Jordan 3 in the Desert Elephant colorway. I absolutely am a fan of these. I don't understand the hate that's going on. I mean, they're not ugly at all. They're not. I mean, they kind of remind me just a little bit, don't get on my head top, but just a little bit of a black cement, just a tiny bit with more like, you know, mocha hits on it. But let's talk about it though. So looking at the left right here, that's one we're gonna be reviewing. Actually, you know what? Yeah, we're doing the left. So starting at the outsole of it, you do have, I wanna say it's like 3-tone actually. You have orange, and then you do have almost kind of like a very light mocha, or I guess that's probably also the Rush orange as well. Then you do all have at the bottom of it, you do have your Jordan, which goes right there at all 3s. Looking up at the midsole right here, you get hit with your air unit. Then you do have a black hit right there, and then you also do have almost kind of like a mocha hit, which is why I actually am a fan of these. But you have the mocha hit that goes around right there, and then you have a mocha elephant print right there. I want the camera to really pick that up for you guys to see. Looking at the back here, you get hit with the Air Jordan, you get the Jumpman, you have the Air, you have more of the mocha elephant print. And maybe I'm starting, now that I'm looking at this more, maybe I know that this is probably the reason why maybe people, you guys in the community aren't feeling these, maybe because of that, potentially. I don't know, comment down below, let me know. Looking at the front of it though, you do have a leather hit, which goes right all around as well. Looking up at your tongue, you do, your laces, you have all black laces, and then you also get hit with your accents. You get orange accents, I guess that's would be considered the Rush orange hit, I guess right there. And then as you look at the tongue right here, the tongue is almost like a suede kind of canvas material, if I would, especially when you touch it as well. But we do get hit with an orange Jumpman. Looking at the inside of the tongue as well, we do get a orange tongue, and you do have your size description right there as well. We get black laces. Let's go ahead and take out the, ooh. Hey yo, look at the insole though. We have the same thing that was on the box. We have an elephant, we have a Jumpman equals Michael Jordan, the GOAT. Look at this. Can y'all see this right now? I want y'all to really see that. Look, you have an elephant, Jumpman, and then you have equals Michael Jordan right there. That is really, really cool. They took the same design on the box and put it into the insole. Yeah, these are a go. These are a go. These are very different, but they're better. They, like I said, they remind me, and they have hit so much of the black cements. I don't have that in my collection, darn, but these are nice. I was really happy to actually order these and actually get them in for you guys and myself, and I'm glad I actually did as well. Let's go ahead and look at the other ones right here, or excuse me, the right pair, and I like them. I do. I feel like these are definitely more, I almost say Christmas, more like kind of, I guess you could say like autumn vibes, if you ask me. Definitely autumn. You'd wear these a lot for the autumn time. These are really nice though. I do like these. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these. I am for sure going to be stepping in these. I will be putting pictures up on Feet Review. All that good stuff will be coming as well. These also are good with a couple pants that I ordered, or excuse me, a couple shorts that I ordered not so long ago too. Let me actually get them out for you guys real quick. Hold up. So guys, actually not too long ago as well. Don't mean to actually kind of like distract the video or anything like that, but I did go ahead and get these from Mason Article. These are actually a brand of shorts that actually Shoe Pals has as well, and these shorts are actually really nice. I've been waiting to opening these up, but I was like, since we were reviewing the Desert Elephant too, and I feel like these pants also have the hits of the color as well, I was gonna go ahead and show you guys. But check out these pants though, they go perfect with these. We got a brown pair right here. Look at these right here. You do have we have a little pink tag in the back of that. I actually think these are really nice. Shoot, a Mason Article. If you want to, you're looking for people to, you know, sponsor, you're looking for people to go ahead and you know, rep your stuff, I'm right here. We also did go ahead and get kind of like a lighter brown, as you can see. Kind of want you guys to really pick it up. In the back right here, it does also have, we have a green stitching right there. It does say Mason Article right there. So I thought that these were pretty cool to actually go ahead and pick up, especially the fact that, like I said, these Air Jordan 3 Desert Elephants have nice hits with these. So if you're looking for these, or if you're curious, I will drop a link where you can go ahead and check these out, because these pants are really nice. And if you just want to go ahead and actually switch up stuff, and you know, you want to add more to your rotation of, like, you know, shoes and apparel and shorts, I got you. So yeah, let me know down below how you feel about those. Also, let me know how you feel about these Desert Elephants. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to it on Feet Review, but before I do want to go ahead and actually drop some more closer perspectives, that way you guys can see. So check it out right now. So here we go right here. Like I said, these are the Jordan 3 Desert Elephant. Release date was originally going to be July 1st, but it's now been pushed back a whole nother month to August 25th. If you're interested and you do want to get these early, because maybe you feel that maybe these aren't going to go ahead and they might sell out, which I don't know. I feel like they're kind of sitting for a while, because I feel like you guys in the community are not really the biggest fan of these, but you never know. Opinions change all the time. So I will leave a link where you can go ahead and check them out over on GOAT to pick them up as well. But yeah, I like these a lot though. I really do like them. I feel like this is one that, you know, if you don't own the black cement 3s, this might be a nice contender. Or if you do like those fall vibes, or you do like those mocha hits, which I absolutely do, that this would be one for you. So comment down below and really let me know how you feel about the Air Jordan 3 Desert Elephant, because I'm feeling these a lot. I feel like this is one that it's not gonna sell it right away, but when it does, people are gonna be like, dang, you know what, I wish I would have gotten them when I actually had a chance. So let me know how you feel about the Desert Elephant 3s down below, guys. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the review over the Air Jordan 3 in the Desert Elephant colorway. Comment down below and please let me know what you think about them. I'm all for them, really. I'm all for them. I think that this is for sure a sneaker that you have to really, you know, pictures won't do these justice. You have to actually get them in hand to actually know, like, if you like them or not. So if you're able to go ahead and store once they release and see them, then you'll be like, you know what, it'll help you make your decision better. Also, if you are on the fence about them too, I will go ahead over on my Instagram, go give me a follow over there. I will throw a couple pictures up, you know, in hand and on feet to help you make your decision, or if you just want to go ahead and check it out if you want to. I do like these a lot. I think the materials they used was really nice for it, like seriously, especially the leather on here. It really reminds me, like I said, of the black cement 3s. So I know that it is one that I feel, if you don't have it like me, people are gonna go for it, and there is mocha hits, and I feel like things with mocha hits in it just always just look good, and they always just sell. I really do think so. So like always guys, I am very, very grateful for the love and the support that you guys show. If you stayed all the way to the end of this video, I greatly appreciate you, seriously. Also as well, I have the on feet review is coming right now. So until next time, I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. There's only ever gonna be one you. So please, I can't stress this enough, y'all. Be the best you. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. More videos will be on the way as well. Don't worry, I have a lot of projects I've been working on, and they're gonna be on the way, I promise you. So until next time, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.